Good afternoon, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Today we are here to discuss about an important issue that is regarding NES, National Achievement Survey, which is now called as Parak Rashtriya Sarvekshan. So this Parak Rashtriya Sarvekshan 2024 is scheduled in the month of November, on 19th November this year, 2024. We thought of calling you to join this VC because we did not want you to waste your time also in joining us in a physical mode. Now, considering the data that we have of last NES, it was seen that the state of Goa had showed a poor performance in terms of these exams, and a brief analysis that was made disclosed that the tentative reasons for this poor performance were like there was a knowledge gap, exam anxiety amongst the students, also not had that smartness of answering these MCQ-based exams. Now, in order to overcome and give some support system to our students, this team has come up with some SOPs, that is action plans. And what are we targeting now is to have some mock test, some daily based questions, so that our students get used to these kind of questions, which are basically competency based, and also we reduce that anxiety and fear which is there in the mind of a student when they are facing such kind of exams. So the plan that is being approved is tomorrow we are holding a pre-test. A pre-test will be held on 4th September 2024, that is tomorrow, in some of these selective schools for standard 3, 6 and 9. Because this NES 2024 will be for standard 3, 6 and 9. So tomorrow's test is for all these three standards for selective schools. Whichever schools receives the question paper will have to conduct this test tomorrow. Timing for this test is 9 to 10:30. In case you have something pre-scheduled during this time, you have the flexibility, you can adjust the time according to your the function or whatever that you have, pre-scheduled thing. Otherwise, it will be from 9 to 10:30. There are three teams which are there, which will be coming from our side. We'll be visiting all these schools. North, South and Central will have different teams which will be visiting and taking a review and report from all these schools. Now, once this test is conducted, we will be sharing answer key after the exam is over with the teachers so that you can do the assessment and upload the assessment on the format that we will share with you. Now, we wish that this exam has to be taken very sportingly. Don't pressurize the students. We are not checking anyone's performance, neither of the student nor of the schools. So it has to be without any pressure and fear, but it has to be in real sense of exam that you will have to conduct it. And for assessment also, we don't need any details such as name of the students, etc. We just need the roll number and the marks that student has obtained. So tell students to be very honest when they are answering this exam. We are just checking the knowledge that they are having as of now. So this is for tomorrow. 4th, the pre-test will be conducted only for the selective schools. Now, why it's such a short notice that we are doing this is because 5th September is Teachers' Day. Then there is a Ganesh festival vacation that is coming. So we are missing upon another 10 days time. So that was the reason we decided to schedule it on 4th of September. This team at Backend has put in a lot of efforts. Within 2 days, they managed to put everything in place, and we are having this exam tomorrow. Now, once we are done with this, we will be sending daily questions to all these schools for standard 3rd, 6th and 9th. This daily question will be for each subject. So per day, Per subject, you will receive one question. Teacher will have to basically discuss it in the class. This question is not for an exam. It will have to be discussed in the class. Let students come up with some amicable answer. Let them discuss amongst themselves. And on the next day, we will be sharing an answer key for the question that was sent on the day prior. So this we will continue for maybe 1.5 months. Every day, one question per subject for these 3 grades, 3rd, 6th and 9th. Thereafter, we are having weekly test which will be held on every Friday. After the vacation is over, every Friday we will schedule a weekly test, which again will be of a limited questions, and you can allow 2 students to sit together, discuss, and come out with the answer, so that students get used to these kind of questions, and also that fear reduces, that anxiety also reduces among the student. Then we will have 2 mock tests. These mock tests are scheduled for the students, for preparing our students to face the actual test, which will be on 19th November. The first mock test is scheduled on 11th of October and second is on 12th of November. This test will be of 60 marks and will be exactly like the test which will be conducted on 19th of November. So this is the schedule that we have come up with to prepare our students for NES exam, for Paras exam 2024. Now, tomorrow's exam will be for 90 minutes and it is proposed to be scheduled from 9 to 10:30, as I told you. All the details about the exam, about the schedule and everything will be available on our website. And also we are creating a WhatsApp channel wherein all the details will be shared with all the schools. Okay. In case anyone has any doubt, any query, you can raise it now so that we can answer it now itself.
Hello, madam.
Yes.
Can you please repeat about the uploading of the marks?
Yes. See, we don't want the name of students. I will repeat, we are not assessing any student's performance, neither the performance of school. We just want to know the knowledge that they have. So we are just assessing the knowledge of the students. So what we have told is we need roll number, whether a child is male and or female, and the marks that they have obtained in that MCQ based question papers.
No, uploading of the marks, you said, madam.
Uploading, you will have to upload it on the Google form that will be shared with you. Please.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
When, madam, please?
yeah, so the link is being shared on the, just check the website in the chat window.
Okay.
Just share it. On that, there will be a Google form available tomorrow, not today. Tomorrow afternoon.
Okay.
Same Google form. The answer key will be there. There will be an Excel document which you have to download, in which you have
Okay.
to copy paste the marks secured and upload it back to the same Google form.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Mr. Vishal Kari. It is for all the students of standard 3, 6 and 9 of the school that we have selected. In case you have received some less number of question paper, you can photocopy it if possible. If not, then maybe you can allow 2 students to answer one paper or sit together. It is only in rare cases, in case you fall short of question paper. You can photocopy if it is okay with you. For tomorrow's pre-test, this is only for tomorrow's pre-test, that because we have sent it to only selective schools. How many students are there in standard 3rd in your school, Mr. Kale? Mr. Kale? Vishal Kale? Okay, so just for information of everyone who is here, once this exam is done, once the answer keys are shared with the schools, thereafter this question paper will be uploaded on our website also and shared on the Google channel, WhatsApp channel also, so that all the schools and all the students of standard 3, 6 and 9 are able to answer it. Answer it in the sense, just for the better of practice, they can go through the question paper, try to solve it. Yes. Anyone else? Any other doubt that you all have? Okay. Since no one has any more doubts, I think I should wish all of you all the best.
Excuse me, ma'am. Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Hello.
Wait, we answer
Myself-
Mr. Rajesh Sheikh's question first. His question is question paper. We will get hard copy or soft copy. We have shared hard copy of the question papers through ADIs and through BRCs. And in case you have received, then it is your school which is going for that exam. If you have not received, then as I told you, once the exam is done, it will be uploaded, available on website, which you can then discuss with your students. Yes.
Hello, madam.
Yes.
Yeah. Whether those exams, that is October and November exams, for same school or all the schools?
See, only first exam is for selective schools. Thereafter, once you resume from your vacation, the daily question, weekly test, and mock test, everything will be for all the schools.
Okay. Okay.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening.
Yeah. Will there be a deadline for the correction of the papers and uploading of the marks?
Yes, preferably, since we are sharing it by tomorrow, the answer key will be shared with you all by tomorrow. And it is MCQ based question, so that assessment will also happen fast. So whatever best opportunity that you are able to complete it and share it with us, it's good. It will be welcome. We are not giving any deadline per se, but maybe at the best possible opportunity, you can share it with us. Yes, anyone else? Good question, Mr. Chandragiri.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening. I am from
Yes.
Ponda Taluka. I could not join the last meeting, so I joined just this meeting.
No
Hello.
problem. Yes, tell me.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes.
My school is in the evening, ma'am. Ponda Center. So I have to call that third standard students in the morning session and conduct the exam.
You need not change the timing of your normal regular school timing. Don't change it. Only for this exam.
Because in the morning session we have high school. In the
Okay.
same building we have high school.
Okay.
They conduct the classes. And evening section we have primary section.
You need not call them in morning session, especially for the exam. You can conduct it in the evenings. No problem. Which school this is? Vijaya
Ponda
Desai?
Center. Ponda Center. Ponda Center. Ponda Center school. And yet not we have received the mock test paper, ma'am, because even the ADI has not put up in the group, our group.
No, Vijaya Desai. Which name of the school?
Hello, ma'am.
What is the name of the school?
GPS Ponda Center.
Vijaya. GPS
Hello,
Ponda
GPS
Center.
Ponda Center.
Center. Okay. Okay. See, in case you have not received the question paper, that means your school is not going for the test tomorrow. Okay. Only those schools who have received the question paper
But
will be.
in the list,
Okay. Okay. Wait.
but in the list which is hello, ma'am.
Share with them. Yes.
Hello.
Okay. Hello.
Hello. There is lot of disturbance. Sorry. Hello.
Yes.
Can you
Vijay.
hear me, ma'am?
Yes, I can hear you.
Ah, that. Ha. I have sent a list of school, and in that our school is there mentioned.
Okay. So maybe you will receive it by now
Hello.
or maybe tomorrow early morning. In case you receive it,
Okay.
then you go ahead with the exam.
Okay. No problem.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, good
Uh,
evening.
yeah. After the correction of the papers, do we have to retain the OMR sheets after uploading the marks?
Yes, you have to retain it with you. We will collect it.
Okay, ma'am.
Maybe at a later date.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. Okay. Afsana Salman is asking about the portion. There is no portion as such earmarked for this exam for tomorrow, and I think it's pointless telling you all the portion because exam is scheduled tomorrow morning. So it is basically competency-based learning, the knowledge that they have, they will have to answer this exam. That's the reason we said that we are just checking the knowledge level rather than focusing on any portion and exam module.
Ma'am, if the
Yes.
question papers, we are falling short of question papers and the OMR sheet because our strength is also not matching with the one which is there with you all. So
Okay.
we can Xerox it, right?
Yes, you can do a photocopy.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Mr. Sanket.
Hello, madam.
Yes.
Hello, madam.
Yes, Nivedita Naik. Tell me.
What if any student is absent by chance?
Yes, let the student not answer the exam. That's fine.
Okay. Thank you.
Ojasvi Sawant, you have any question? Venecia Fernandez? Okay, no more doubts then?
Yes, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, our school tournaments are going on. There's an event which we handle. So tomorrow is decided as a discretionary holiday. So is it okay if we conduct the exam on the 5th? Yes. This is the Rosary High School, Kujira.
That's fine. See, what will happen, I'll be very frank with you.
Yes.
We are sharing the answer keys tomorrow. So it will be pointless in you holding that exam provided you don't share those answer keys with student and tell them to answer the exam on 5th. Because we don't
True.
have any. Okay.
But then we also haven't received the question paper yet, but our name is there in the list. So I still went ahead and asked the query.
Okay, maybe in case that is there, you can send it to some other school rather than sending it to those two. Because they are having a holiday tomorrow.
Makes sense. Now, last minute whom to shift. Then ADI can decide. So, is ADI Tiswadi here in the meeting? Any BRC or ADI from Tiswadi here?
Yes, sir. I am there. Ganga Shesat, BRC Tiswadi.
So Ganga Tiswadi, what you can do is that since Rosary is having their holiday tomorrow, you can share this set of question paper with some other school. Just check in the list of the schools which are not going for exam tomorrow and select some other school and share this question paper.
I will try it. Nearby school I can take.
Yes. Only thing,
I will try my level best.
Yes, whichever school you select, inform us the name of the school so that we can update our record also.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, I will do it.
So, Rosary School, please take a look of it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
My request to Rosary School, they should not collect the paper then. because
Yes,
distribution
okay,
is
ma'am.
going on. Distribution is going on in ADI office. So please see to it that no one will go from your school to collect the papers. Otherwise, we will have less papers.
Okay, no problem, man. I'll take note of that. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay, then thank you everyone. Thank you for joining. All the best for tomorrow.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You can stop. You can stop. You can stop. You can stop. Yeah. Okay.